preliminary round in Pool A. The reinforced conference of the Premier Volleyball League, the heart of volleyball.
And let's see who Choco Mucho will start with. Talk about our starting unit.
Right.
We have a welcome and a welcome back. And we start off our first set with a service error. Easy to just...
The PBL on tour. That can change today.
Oh, look at that. That is a service ace from Leila Cruz. And Capital One already an impression on your first season, first conference. But also when you're coming from where you are, there's really nowhere else to go but up. So that's something that is working for Capital One, I think.
And when you look at the backline, you have Bella Belen manning the floor. So hindi na masyadong nag-aalala yung blockers na pag lumusot, walang makakakuha ng bola.
It's a 5-point lead now for Capital One. Again, there's Catolentino, but Capital One took care of that one. A lot of scrambling on both sides. Bella again with a save, almost. Just the hustle. Gotta hand it to her and Choco Mucho. Of course, also appreciating the effort from the Flying Titans.
Finally. Sabi ng Choco Mucho.
Here comes that jump serve. Good first ball there by Molde. Royce Rubino! Where have you been?
They're at set point once again.
Dan Ferrer is doing the setting chores. Tobino! 3 for 3 for Royce Tobino when it counts. Combination attack, well read there by Choco Mucho. Jorel Singh, what a pickup. Back row attack from the pipe, that did not go past the net. And Choco Mucho will get a chance to win this first set. Tapos na ang rush hour by the time we make our way home. And for all of you just catching this action, this is the best way to cap your Tuesday night. And may pito na yata. Aba, 16 deadlocks. Dina Wong checking out the other side. Now Capital One will go. Belen stopped. This is off system. That's okay. Here comes Bella Belen with a tip. Great read there by Catolentino, keeping the ball alive. One more chance here. Bella again! Look at Tag Ponce just diving for the ball. Joust won by the Titans. Look at Tag Ponce just foiling all of the attempts by Bella Belen. Cat. Roma Doromal could not keep the ball in play.
Wow, what a rally.
Woo!
Capital One was already asking for feels in this first set.
Of course, Leila Cruz also another important cog here for the Solar Sparkers. And Royce Tobino has come up with the goods every time.
But it just didn't connect.
Choco Mucho with a chance again to win this first set. Here comes Choco Mucho. Royce Tobino will get the setup. One more try for Royce. Will she get it? Not yet at Roma Doromal. Singh sending it over. Nagkakabanggaan na dito. Royce Tobino again. Picked up by Bella Belen. Singh, soft hands. Tolentino with a read. Royce blocked. General with a save. Oh, and that's outside.
Game in set number 1, they were more efficient in attacking, converting 32% of their attempts compared to the 24% of Capital One. They just have to...
Perfect pass there from Doromal. Again, the challenge for Capital One is to just get a win after a long drought. That one is good. But you know, it's almost the same story for
A possible scenario para magamit mo din sila in other aspects.
nagkakamali kayo. You have a lot more volleyball in store for you tonight, which is a happy thing. We're glad you're joining us. Oh, and Jorel Singh. And that was inside. Galgones completely go back to. Buti lang meron tayong mga replays. You're gonna want to see that first set if you missed it. Cherry Nunag, almost, but Capital One keeps the ball in play. Singh, stopped. That one is outside.
And already has 25 points combined.
Oh, Cherry Nunag 2 in a row for her.
Easier for them to identify those open spots on the floor of Capital One.
And as you mentioned, that's a kind of dynamic that is missing on the Capital One side. Oh! That's a great set there by Dina Wong. Dito nagsimula yan kanina nung first set. Oh, and that connection between Cherry Nunag and Dina Wong, you cannot second guess it. Does that count as a triple-double?
Na agad.
Yes. Set 1 pa lang, set 2 pa lang. Aha. And now things really happening for Capital One. Now they're scoring off a block. Nobody's complaining. Bella Belen just running for that ball. She gets another chance. Ball right back. And that one is called inside. Lucky. Manabat will save that first set point.
Nasa mga do situations tayo.
Right.
It's so hard.
We got a new setter also. Martuno calling the shots here for Capital One. Genesis, solid block there.
Not on the floor also. It's up to Niegos, Ostero, and Genesis to get 1 point.
Oh, ball still good. Too early for celebration. Oh, what a smart play. Dingin Santiago Manabat just showing her wit. Winning it easier this time. 26-24. That point brought to you by Myra B. Vita Brighter. Royce Tubino coming in when she does. Really effective. All right, third set underway, and that one is called outside. That's a tough serve taken care of there by Isa Moldes. She'll go up for the attack, and she will get the point off the block. Belen is blocked or stopped. There's Cheng again. Nice pancake by Tolenada. Oh, but a solid block.
These things, they don't sweat the little things actually. Rather, they find ways to uplift each other and just play ready for whatever happens. In short,
That's what Choco Mucho want, but they're 3 long sets. So parang in terms of the balikan, parang 5-setter na rin. Nice up there by Cruz. Tolentino coming from behind there. Singh. These rallies that we're used to seeing from the first set already. Singh again. And she speeds it up a little, and there's going to be a check ball. Keep up this lead.
Yeah, we can see it. They're in full control of this third set, especially. Dina Wong has been dictating the pace of the game.
And that is a point. Definitely Capital One needed. And Australia there coming through. Good. The contact so quick. Dina Wong there with a stop. Chance here for Tolenada. Quick play. Foiled by Choco Mucho. But Casey Galgones makes up for it with that solo block. So, Flying Titans cruising in this third set. And that's called outside. So
Team needs to figure it out nang wala siya sa floor.
Yeah.
No reinforcement, no Bella Belen.
yeah, also seeing different players on the court. So Trisha Genesis and also Pia Abu is back.
Top scorer for her team with 13 points.
Pero tama ka, Neil. It's like she never left. Never skipped a beat. Nandun pa rin. Oh, Cherry Luna could not keep that ball in play. So Trisha Genesis, 2 points with a little time that she saw on the court. Niegos going down the line. Tina Wong going for the quick. Niegos again. Kat Tolentino again, just that back row attack from the right. Because we know that Capital One is able to play right there, just to play their game. Ayan na. Sunod-sunod na rin ang puntos ng Capital One.
6-1 run for
Wow.
Capital One.
Make that 7. Solid 2-man block. And Casey Caldones, you can hear. Here comes Bella. Ooh! Almost for Choco Mucho, but Bella Belen again. We want to see a 4th set. Tough serve again, coming from Choco Mucho.
Leila Cruz, there are multiple options.